as we're going along, these forceps right here are very good to use for your carburetor wire right here. This is another set that's on there. I just want to show you how it works. It holds the wire and the spring right here tight so that you can put a new cable onto a new carburetor. You can see right there where the little lead ball is inside the carburetor slide. That will, you take a little screwdriver and take it out. While you're down here looking at parts of your motor, another good thing is to get yourself a little old hand mirror. Just don't let your wife see what you're doing. And you can use it to look underneath the motor where it comes together, up there by that green wire, and you can see if there's any leaks. There should be no leaks, no oil, no nothing. And this can really help spotting any problems that you have, so you can take care of the problems before anything pops up. This motor is not idling the way I want it to, and so I think I may have a leak somewhere. But what I'm thinking is the leak could be right here. What happens with the leak is that we're using 14 parts air to 1 part gasoline to make the motor work and idle. If you go higher or lower, the motor will quit. Problem with the leak is it lets air leak into the engine, and it leans out the fuel mixture and gives it more than 14:1, and then eventually the motor just stops. So I've taken the carburetor off. I'm going to take this off, excuse me, and then I have to wash my hands every time I go and grab this very expensive camera. The next thing we're going to do is take the CT manifold off. You have to do it, the CT manifold, you have to take the top part off, then you can get to the bottom bolts right there. And after I take that off, I'm going to look and see how well, if there's any kind of leaks or anything. And if there's no leaks, then I know that my little idle problem is probably with the carburetor. Maybe because it hasn't been run for a year. I can take the carburetor that I have over here, and I can tear it down and take a look in the float bowl right here to see if there may be some dirt or whatever. Another good thing to do is while you're doing the carburetor work is to